Yeah man, welcome back to the planting tree, peeps. Only a clip shot to that one plant, you know. Yeah man, that one a fit to the bus. See there, it start all ripe. But you know me I go on the riverside do more planting for fry. Yo, can knife you come let me know? Yeah man, more planting for fry now. Jerk chicken, plant and fry now, you know. No say, done now. I eat some jerk chicken yard man style, so you know so that me I go deal with. So I cut the plant from off a tree, you know. Line up, we line up and go in my car on the riverside, do some yard man cooking, you see it. Yeah man. Now real and cut off that one with the tree. Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Not two different, this is one different one.
Well, I say you could have cut
just cut this one then?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah man, respect. Great tool cutty. So them I go fry them on the riverside, yard man style. So you see whenever I reach on the river side, I couldn't see where I go on, but I pick up the people at the hotel. You know what I mean? Yeah man. So I pick them up at the hotel, and after we pick them up at the hotel, I head to the riverside. You know what I mean? So do the right thing, like up the video, share, subscribe to the channel, remember to tell a friend, Yeah man. Go up on the riverside and I'll give them some fried plantain with the jerk chicken, cause of that them say them want, and then later me have glistening water figure that are somewhere in a mobile. So only a little tour me have for them, so just stay tuned, you know what I mean? They not too love the camera, so I'm not too put them on it, you know what I mean? Yeah man, in a real life. So if you're thinking about come a sunrise place and you don't love the camera, just let me know, say yo, you know say me not too love the camera, no problem, you know, I go put it on you see it. Yeah man, so I just say things said in a real life. So I go up on the road and now do the right thing. Subscribe no man. Yeah man, them say they want some mango, so you know me have a mango tree, so we pick up some mango. Tool pick them up. Yeah man, cause them did they up here last night too. We have whole heap of people did there last night. But me ain't shot no video, cause as when me say them are 2 want up on the video, so them big tool some mango. So tool got a bush this morning and find a mango here. Yeah man. Some common mango, we call them stringy. But them nice. For tourists who come to Jamaica, them are nice for tourists them. Yeah man. In a real life. So now I go down on the riverside and now see all of my ingredients are some pimento leaf, and you don't know. I have my file paper, some chicken seasoning, onion. Yo, riverside the king of peeps. Alright. Peeps, we reach on the riverside and now, you know. Chicken this, you know, me have some chicken hip and leg and breast and wing, all of them there. I'm throw some jerk seasoning funny. Yeah, you know, so me use this in most of my video then. Yeah, and you don't know, this is some pimento leaf. Yeah man, we put some pimento leaf over it so you can have that taste there. You know, so when you are jerk, it's nice to use pimento leaf. Yeah man, so some pimento leaf in it. You know what I mean? Look funny. Pretty. So you know, so me there I got deal with family little thing, you know. See it, fire ketchup, so as soon as the fire ketchup, you know say I go chew on my grill and chew on chicken them pan it, you see it? Yeah man. Pretty. Yeah man, some more this ketchup and all peeps. Time to put them up on the grill, you know. Yeah man, some pimento leaf. Some pimento leaf, that's you know, so I just put the chicken pan it. Yeah man, see that man? Yeah man. Chicken on the fire.
All that pimento leaf is gonna give that juice and that flavor.
Yeah, man.
It's gonna seep into the chicken. The smoke. All that smoke.
Yeah, on the riverside there, no peeps. Do some outdoor jerking in a yardman style. So I go on. Yeah, man. Chicken in my grill up. And then I go taste good, you know. With the pimento leaf. All of them there. On the wing. You. I don't know, man. The peeps. Turn them and turn time, you know, peeps. See the little black spot I want to see peep at the pimento leaf we burn pan the grill, gone pan the chicken. So imagine that taste there and that flavor there. So nobody think about the chicken bun up. No, at the pimento leaf. We look pan it and pretty. Normal. That's the thing there. So we have some over there, so look on them peeps. Pretty yardman style jerky, I catch them in a man. Yeah, man. Pretty. And the taste good too. Come on. Yeah, man, and pretty peeps. You know they are going to grill chicken. That's what they are dealing with. See the peeps? Yeah man, chicken are looking good. Very man, pretty. Yeah man, chicken and active peeps. Yeah man, and people up on the riverside now, so you know, so them they don't do so. Whole heap of bad way them a cuss, them a full jar themselves. So I can't tell them what to do. Me the up here so I jerk my chicken, you know what I mean? So I just me and the crew just there here. But we come here come see whole heap of other people. So them a full jar themselves. We there are the food to see them too, is it? I'm not in a real life. Just do right thing, man. Subscribe to the channel. Remember, for that Jamaica, if you come to Jamaica and you want to experience some riverside cooking or some beach cooking, just check Sunrise Boss, no, man. In a real life, yeah, man. Just check out my Instagram too, is it? Boy, them a cuss a whole heap of bad word peeps. I'm sorry, but I have to do my video. And them I enjoy themselves, so big up on yourself, on the outside. Alright, then I plant when I care for up on my yard now, peeps, so you know, so them want fry now. So you know, so island I pot and see chicken them, yeah? Yeah, man. Chicken them there, no chicken in the one side. Now peel off them here now, and as soon as the oil hot, I go put in them, yeah? So some fried plantain with the grilled chicken. Yeah, man. Pretty. Riverside with there, you know. Yeah, man. Pretty. See? Nah, man, I like peeps. Plant and fry now, you know. You know, say, done now, you done jerk the chicken. You fry some plantain. And then you know, say, we are going to go and we are going to enjoy it. Maybe them go enjoy it because them hotel them must stay, because they must stay one nice beachfront hotel, so nice we enjoy all them a meal up on the balcony and catch some sea breeze. Because you don't have the river view already while cooking it, so to eat it now, you want the sea breeze. So that I go on peeps. Yeah, I'm on the outside. Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps, make it to the hotel now, so you know, so them are going to enjoy their meal. That's how it finally looks look. Really good, man. Juicy. What's up again, my beautiful peeps? You don't know, so after we done eat that jerk chicken then, I know I'm not eat my own yet, you know. I don't know if you know I go see when me and mash it up, but I guess them don't eat for them own and them lick them fingers, so you don't know, say nice plot and everything up. So right now, I left St. Anson, you know, I go where? Falmouth, I go, you know. Yeah man, I go down glistening water. What is that right name for it?
Luminous.
Oh. Boy, I have this tongue piece, I can't have a call a word that's so good. Where go again? The luminous. Yes, peep, something like that. The luminous. But we are going down there.
Luminous Lagoon.
Yeah, luminous lagoon. Yes, peeps. Yeah, that name them that search for the lagoon. Yes, I can know my driver go down there. A whole heap of traffic, so you know the thing said. Yeah, and guess them there here taking the time drive go down. So hopefully when I go down there I can show you some little clip same way cause the glistening water. Why me keep on call it glistening water piece? I don't know if I show me go there.
Luminous lagoon.
Glistening water. Yeah, but why you know why me stuck on glistening water? Because the last time I go there I glisten, I see the water I glisten for true. So that's why I just call it the glistening water peeps. Cause when them go out there in the night, then at dark and them do them thing with the boat and you put your hand in the water, you see glisten and it blue. You know I see what go on. It's light up, you know I see what go on at night. But when you see traffic peeps, yeah man. This muddy day and I make like blocky traffic enough for the say no, but Jamaica this. Yeah man. So I take my time I drive go down me there Senance Beer you know. So I drive go down start the stoplight. When you do the right thing, subscribe to the channel, you don't know how those look like vibes. I have to show you, I have to share it. But I just decide say I couldn't see what I go on, you know what I mean? Yeah man, see they're fully active, look like Jamaica life. I wouldn't mind if sometime I can look on phone or look on the TV and see some place, America or Canada. You know what I mean? Yeah, because more time I want to see some type of car where I drive or some different country or all the tree them look alright, but people no do a lot of driving vlog peeps, you know what I mean? Yeah man, but more time I watch it for hours, just watch a car drive from parish to parish and just a look. So you walk one, big up on yourself, subscribe to the channel and drive go down you know. Yeah peeps, you know so we finally reach the glistening water you know. It's like when you pay your money for go out there, them offer you a fruit punch or a rum punch, you see it? Yeah man, so right now we are lined up for go to the glistening water in a real life, though. Yeah, the fans, man, I know if you can't see me so good, but you don't know, say, make it back up, make it glistening water, you know. So we finally reach and see it up on the boat. So I don't know, say, we are good now, water, you know. So we just say, whatever we see out there is it, your money in a real life, that I pray. So we just there, you know, on the boat. Move off. You know, so without in water, you know, peeps, water have a glistening, I have a blue glistening, but to be honest, you have to do that for witness it, peeps, you know what I mean? We can't see no whole heap of like picture if you take them our video, you know what I mean? We have to just dip on the spot, but a nice experience, you know what I mean? Glistening water when you play in the water and at night, you don't know, say, glisten, so you can check it out in a real life.
Paparazzi is the one who take all the glowing photos, so if your phone, your camera cannot do it, guarantee paparazzi can do it. Now welcome to the real glistening water. This is it inside here. Over where we leaving a while ago, it's a restaurant and also a fishing marina. That's what get the name Glistening Water Restaurant and Marina, all because of this water. Inside here we got 2 layers of water, salt and fresh. The fresh water comes in inland where you see those bright lights on top of the hill over there, from the Martha Bay River.
Yeah peeps, I don't know, so you leave glistening water you know, and make it back a watch right here, so just I get some jerk chicken, yardman style, you know what I mean? Yeah man, and then bring them to the hotel back and then, you know, say that is it for the night. Yeah. Come on, tell me no Karen. Yeah man, on the way to the airport, man, sit down at the rubbish truck. back a Billings Cliff. Look on him, peeps. Only in Jamaica, you know. Yeah, man, see them boss sit down a Billings Ganjas Cliff in a rubbish truck, peeps. Look there. Only Jamaica. Only Jamaica. Yeah, man. Yardman style, you call that. Chop boss, cock up foot. Oh, you mean? Yeah, man. Boss, cock up foot all up there, you know, bossy. Bossy up the feet. Boss, and I got this chuck. Be a laugh, guess them a laugh. Yeah, man. Airport, me a going up, peeps. Yeah, my fans, me know you can't see my face so good, you know what I mean, but I say it go. You don't know what happened where give fans them a good look at tour and everything with video. And everything with video you see, but all of full joy yourself, you know, I'm going to let them off at the airport because they're going home. So when you say no full joy yourself at Jamaica?
Yeah. Yep, nice.
Yeah, man.
Pure vibes.
Pure vibes.
Vibes are dick.
Juicy fruits
Vibes
and mango
are
and
weak.
jerk chicken.
Yeah, man. So you die at the airport and now, peeps, you know, me let them off. So when you say, shout out to Canada, you know, peeps, you know, Canada.
Yeah,
come
Toronto, you don't know.
Yeah, man. Now
Come back
life.
home.
Yeah, man. So we are the right thing. Right now, I'm gonna cloak up from Jamaica, you know, peeps, because Canada, I'm gonna say, you know, say up there so cool. See, I she cloak up already. Yeah, man. I take out suitcase, you know, all of them same thing there, because you don't know things said. But peeps, do remember, you know, man, you can check me if you know I'm let you know off at the airport or pick you up at the airport. Yes, he left him phone, yeah. He left him slippers. I say go, peeps. Just check me, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man, in a real life. Yeah, him, oh, go, you left now, yeah, so it's a fear. This iron.
Yes, my treasure. You can't go without this, man.
Yeah,
Crazy.
What's
Got a long flight.
Feeling good now. Alright. Yeah, peeps. Come on. So remember, you know, man, if you not come to Jamaica and want me pick you up at the airport, just contact me, man. Me come pick you up. You see it? And so we drop you off back. If you want me touring around Jamaica, me touring in a real life.
Jason, good seeing you, man.
Yeah,
See you
man.
again. Nice seeing you, man.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Respect, love and blessings.
Yeah,
Take
man.
care. You know? More for the future.
Alright. Yeah,
That's
man.
all about.
Yeah, man.
Connecting, we're connecting.
Alright.
Networking. More for the future.
Yeah,
For the
man.
kids.
Acting. One more man, this is a truck back, you know, peeps. I know we are coming from the airport, you know. Yeah, man. One more man, this is a truck back. I all asleep. Yeah, we tell her, yeah, man, Jamaica, sweet. Yeah, man. Truck back the boss, now, you know.